Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. This is for the Subaru WRX fans here. Today we have a 2019 Subaru WRX. Looks like it does have a moderate on the Carfax, which we will go over here briefly. Just right over 62,000 miles, 2.4 liter, high performance boxer engine. Like I said, this is the Subaru WRX, nice high performance all-wheel drive vehicle here. There's a lot to this car, so bear with me while we go over it. I'm gonna go over some of the features, advantages, and benefits of owning this vehicle. Starting up front here, you can see the nice styling from Subaru with your honeycomb grille, Subaru badging, and then your black lower grille here. Fog lights integrate into the lower bumper with high intensity headlights right here. Okay, nice contour on the hood scoop there. Okay, these are brand new tires all the way around 11/32, and we'll get into that here in just a bit when we take a look at our used car mechanical check sheet. Right off the bat, you can see some curb rash there. I will go over any imperfections in the last portion of the video, but I just wanted to point that out here. You do have some nice red stitching and leather components here, some brushed aluminum and chrome, and that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice bolstered performance seats there with your red stitching. Obviously 6-speed manual here. Nice upgraded infotainment center with your high gloss black. A lot of features to go over. Let's take a look at the used car mechanical check sheet. Find these in all our vehicles here at All Things Automotive. 11/32 on the tires. Front and rear pads are brand new. Rotors are good to go. Everything is green, so you don't have to put any money into the wearables shortly after purchasing this beautiful high-performance Subaru. And we'll take a peek into the rear here. Plenty of space back here for rear occupants. Seat belts, that's a must in this WRX. Okay, looks like you do have 2 cup holders here as well. Again, that red outline theme goes throughout the entire interior of the vehicle, which makes it stand out, as you can see here. Walking around to the rear of the vehicle, you will notice the beautiful spoiler on here, carbon fiber wrap. That's a nice added element right there. Subaru badging on the back, WRX all-wheel drive, dual exhaust back here. Sounds really good, nice and throaty, sounds like a WRX should. Let's take a look at the driver area here. As you can see, you have all your power door options here as far as locks, windows, mirrors, etc. Okay, you will have a manual seat adjustment in here. This is the base. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and start it up. You will get 2 keys. Just a regular key fob here, lock, unlock, trunk button right here. So let's start it up. Doesn't sound half bad. All right, guys. Like I said in the Carfax, it does have a moderate, so let's go ahead and get into that. Looks like there was a minor in 2020, and that was in the rear. Now, minor is usually cosmetic. And then the moderate is in the front here, but it has been professionally repaired. If you have any questions, please give us a call. It has been looked at by our professional reconditioning staff here, and it is good to go for your safety. All right, guys, as you can see, just over 62,000 miles here. I did want to mention you do have hands-free controls as far as Bluetooth, and then you have some audio options right here where you can pan through, select your songs. Okay, and over here is your cruise control. You will have a trunk release button over here, traction control off, lighting and dimming controls for your center clusters. And then you do have a nice touchscreen display right here, and it's finally quieting down for us. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in reverse and show you the back of the camera. There's your guidance lines right there. Okay, so you can hook your phone up. Plenty of ways to put your songs on there and everything like that via Bluetooth media. If you're familiar with Subaru, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, it does still have your CD player right there as well. There's your climate control. It does have a Cobb tuner right here with the hookup. Okay, as far as it being tuned and everything, I do not know that information, but I'd be more than happy to take your call and answer any questions you had. Okay. Nice 6-speed manual transmission, nice ergonomical shifter here, leather wrapped. Even on the steering wheel, you can see the red stitching all the way around. Just a comfortable feel. I'm in the bolstered seats. I feel really comfortable, okay? All right, at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look under the hood. All right, guys, under the hood, you can see nice, clean, and clear engine bay here. No evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Battery terminals don't have any corrosion or anything. Okay, there's that oil filter right on top. Kudos to you, Subaru. High performance boxer engine, aftermarket cold air intake. This is not your run-of-the-mill Subaru. This is your WRX. All right, everybody, in this portion of the video, I am going to go over any imperfections this car may or may not have. Now, this is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Let's start in the front here and see there is a minimal stone chips up here, so I don't see any big ones. Maybe some on the backs, further back on the hood, excuse me. Front moldings are good all the way over. Like I said, you do have some curb rash on the right front wheel here. Other than that, you get brand new tires. Some little blemishes here on the mirror cap on the passenger side. The rockers are good there. Pretty clean. The roof looks good. I'm not seeing anything here, guys. The back looked good as well. We'll have some scuffs here by the trunk, but that's normal. Cargo in and out, it happens. I'm going up the driver's side here. Looks like some minor blemishes here on this side. Right there is probably the biggest one I see. Little paint chip there. Other than that, a very nice vehicle here, guys. So if you guys have any specific questions about this vehicle, please give us a call at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved, and yes, we do take trades. Or just come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, we're taking a look at a 2019 Subaru WRX, just over 62,000 miles. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you and have a great day.